This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know you can grow peppers from store-bought seeds? Let's dive in. First, pick fully ripe peppers for harvesting seeds. Look for those vibrant, soft-to-the-touch ones. If you can, go for heirloom varieties. They're more reliable for growing true to type. Now here's the fun part. Cut the pepper open and gently scrape out the seeds onto a white plate. Be careful not to damage them. Remove any flesh or membrane to avoid mold. Next, rinse the seeds under cool water to clean off any residue. Spread them out on a paper towel or mesh screen in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. Let them dry completely, which usually takes about a week. Once the seeds are dry, store them in a paper envelope or an airtight container. Label it with the type of pepper and the date harvested. Keep them in a cool, dry place until planting time. Before planting season, test a few seeds for germination. Place them between damp paper towels and check for sprouting after a week. This ensures they're ready to grow. That's it. You're now ready to grow new pepper plants from seeds. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or your own tips for harvesting seeds.